Welcome to science class. We are studying virtual class, subject science. Students, we are experiencing warm in the climate. We are getting day by day temperature hot. We are experiencing hot. So this time what we are doing? We are going somewhere under the tree. Otherwise, if we are at home, we put on the fan always. Drink cool water and juices. So suddenly, when you feel hot, what you will do? Suddenly, you will take your effort and get relaxed. Breeze. You want suddenly breeze. Means cool air. Means air is very necessary for us. So like this, air has much importance as water, food, etc. Now let us study air as component, necessary component of all the living organisms. Then what is air made up of? Is air everywhere? Is air present everywhere in the atmosphere? Do the living things, plants and animals, how they get oxygen? How much oxygen is present in the air? What are the components of the air? What air comprises? What are the components of the air? So all these you will study under the lesson air around us. Air is everywhere. Yes, air is present everywhere on the earth. You can see everywhere, even in water, in the soil, on the mountains, above the mountains, up to 1800 to 2000 kilometers from the earth. Air is present. So this envelope of air around our earth is said to be atmosphere. Atmosphere is the covering of air around our earth. Atmosphere contains air, and air is a mixture of many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, dust particles, microorganisms, etc. So we experience air when our hairs move, when our dress, cloth wave. When we do like this, we wave our hand, we experience air. So what is the importance of the air? Air is very necessary component for the living organisms, for our earth. Air we can experience, but we cannot see. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it, we can experience it. Hotness of the air, cool air, cold air. So like this, we can feel, we can experience the temperature of the air. The moving air, the air in the motion is said to be wind. So what is wind? Air in the motion is called wind. So what are the other properties of the air? The air in the motion is called wind. Air moves. Air always moves. So it occupies space. It always occupies. Suddenly when you open the door, first the air rushes inside the room. When you open the window, the air rushes from the outside inside the room. So not only air is found everywhere, and our atmosphere contains many mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles, etc. Plants take in carbon dioxide for their preparation of food, that is photosynthesis, and they give out oxygen. This oxygen we take for our respiration. All living organisms, plants give out the oxygen to the atmosphere, and animals, human beings, insects, all these they take in oxygen for their breathing. Oxygen not only necessary for the breathing, but it also very necessary component for the process of burning. We cannot burn anything. There is no burning process without oxygen. So oxygen is very necessary for the process of burning. The envelope of air around the earth, surrounding the earth, is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere is essential for life on the earth. So how it supports the life on the earth? It is one of the necessary component to have a life on the earth. So earth is called as living planet because only earth has the living components on the earth. So it is the cause. It causes the life on the earth. Oxygen is one of the component in the air. This oxygen is very necessary than the other gases for the plants and animals, for all the living beings. Then how do these plants and animals get oxygen? Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through their leaves. Leaves have pores on their upper surface as well as lower surface of the leaves. The exchange of gases takes place through these pores. They are called stomata. So like this, air enters through the stomata, carbon dioxide is used for the preparation of food, and there the carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is liberated to the atmosphere. So this oxygen liberated from the plants to the atmosphere is consumed by the animals, human beings, and all the animals, all the insects. So like this, plants and animals are helped by each other. Plants are helpful to the animals. In the same way, animals also helpful to the plants. Because we human beings and animals take in oxygen from the air, which is produced by the plants, and give out carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is used by the plants in the preparation of food. So like this, plants and animals are mutually helpful. So like this we can say oxygen is very necessary component for the living components. It is also necessary for the process of burning. We cannot burn anything in the absence of air. So we can conduct an activity to show oxygen is very essential for the burning process. Take 2 glasses and 2 candles. Put on the both candles. Candle A and candle B. Both the candles are burning, you can see. And cover a glass on the candle A. When you cover a glass on the candle A, what happens to the candle which is covered and what happens to the candle which is not covered? The B. So the candle which is covered by the glass puts off. It becomes off because it shows there is absence of air inside the glass. After a few seconds or after a few time, the candle stops burning. It shows air is necessary for the process of burning. Is oxygen. The main component is oxygen, whereas the candle which is not covered burns, continues burning. So by this we can say oxygen is necessary for the process of burning. We will study further the properties of air in the next class. Till that, take care. Thank you.